Hi guys, my name is Sayesh Abbas Salim and you start to watching my YouTube channel SAK Creation. So guys, we are back with latest bridal blouse designs. In these designs, I want to tell you everything about Ari work and how to make your bridal blouse design at home without any problem. So let's get started. So right now we are stitching some gold kasab load. It's a different thread. One is a silk thread, you know guys, and one is a gold kasab. Gold kasab is a very different thing and silk thread is a very different thing. When we are stitching like this one, we need to use dotar needle. Dotar needle is especially for thread work like zigzag, resham load and gold kasab load. Right now we are stitching gold kasab load. First we are stitching one sugar beads line, then we are stitching one piping dory inside the load, then we are start to stitching upper side of the dory gold kasab load. Okay, so right now we are on the back and sticking some kalis. This shape is a very different shape and this is also related to kundans. This is also kundans, but shape is a very different and color is a white. We are also drop some fabric and now we are start to sticking and also we are leave for 10 minutes for dry this kundans. Then we are start to stitching all around this zardozi, because without zardozi outline its kundan look like uncompleted. So that's why zardozi is a very important thing to stitching all around the kundans. If you want increase your kundans look, so basically you need to stitching all around the kundan zardozi and also use light colored zardozi, not a too much dark, because too much dark color zardozi I think this is not good option. Okay, you always use light color zardozi, it's a very good, and also use 7 number wooden needle. I'll show you guys, wait a second. Okay, so sticking complete. Now we are start to stitching zardozi all around the kali. Okay, look at this, and this is a 7 number wooden needle. And I wanna tell you one more thing guys. If you want to stitching some zardozi load, you need to cut zardozi little bit short size, and if you want to stitching like this all around the kundans, you need to cut your zardozi long size, also same as it is. Okay, look at this, because if your zardozi was long, so I think needle was fill in a one time and also stitching a little bit a long size. Look at this. Okay, and if you are beginner, this needle not for you guys, and you need to use iron needle 7 number, same hook. Okay, and if you want any type of help and if you face any type of difficulties to learn this work, please do WhatsApp on the same number. I'll show you on your screen. Okay, please do WhatsApp, and my team always ready for your help guys. So now we are start to stitching peacock top of the sleeves, and look at this downside of border on the sleeves also ready. And now we are start to stitching some peacock. Okay, peacock is a very unique concept, and in this blouse designs have a 3 peacock in the both sleeves. One sleeves have a 3 and also one 3, and this blouse design combination color was a pink color, and this blouse designs belong to my US customer. It's a very beautiful customer and also beautiful nature. So he asked me, "Bhaiya, I want same as it is blouse design." So I said, "Okay, ma'am, I'll make for you." And we also make under 1 week and also delivered under 1 week. If you want any type of blouse design, you just tell me color. If possible, you send me your blouse piece. I'll make on your blouse piece and send it back to you guys. Okay. So now we are stitching gold kasab, same as it is. We are stitching also on the back neck and also front neck sleeves. Okay, look at this. This is a main paper. It's a very unique and it's a very important thing to do Ari bridal work. And if you want to make blouse designs like my designs, you need to first buy Ari tracing machine, because Ari tracing machine is a very important tool to make your any type of blouse designs paper. If you make your blouse designs paper, you make easily your any type of designs. Okay, so now we are drawing with dry chalk. It's a little bit round flower, so it's easy for dry with dry chalk. Okay, and if your blouse paper have some leaf and other types like different shapes, so liquid form is a very good option for drying. Okay, And if you want some little bit like this type of flowers and other type of booties, so I think dry chalk was a good. Okay, look at this, same as it is we are making. This is my customer blouse pictures. He just sent me and says, well, yeah, I want this blouse design, so I'll make. Ma'am, okay, don't worry, you just send me the color, I will make. Okay, so this is a pink color. We are start to stitching on the downside of the peacock, and also we are stitching front side of peacock head with gold kasab, and back side also we are using gold kasab. And now we are also using 2 tar needle, and when we are stitching thread work, okay, you understand, we are also using 2 tar needle. 2 tar needle is a very unique concept. Okay, and if you want any type of help, guys, please do WhatsApp on the same number. My team always ready for you guys. Okay, and if you are new and you are watching my content in a first time, so I hope you like my content and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the future video. Okay, so we are making on the back, and back was just 2 inches border on a neck, and also some booties all around the back, because we are filling some back space with the peacock booties, and also middle side one round flower with some stone chain, moti and other work. Okay, so we are back on the sleeves and stitching some round flowers. We also same as it is, we are stitching on the back neck, middle side of the back neck, and down side of the neck side. Look at this. Now we are stitching stone chain, then we are stitching other work like sugar beads all around the flower, because these flowers make with the 3 things. One, kundans in the middle side of these flowers, then we are using sugar beads micro size, 3 number moti, and also stone chain line, and again we are making same as it is flower also completed. Look at this. First we are stitching 3 number moti, then sugar beads, then stone chain, sugar beads, stone chain. Look at this, same as it is we are doing, and also my flower was completed. Okay, so now we are stitching other work. Look at this. This is a very different and also very beautiful concept. And one 3 number moti, and top of the moti we are also using one sugar beads micro size. And sorry for my background voice, because my lots of friend. Okay, and look at this. First you need to fill your all needles like this one, this type. Okay, then you stitching same as it is, one by one. And if you are beginner, you don't need to do fast, you just do very slowly. And first of all, you learn this work with good tips and tricks, and also good work. If you need increase your speed, you just do practice every day. Okay, maximum 1 hour every day. And you need any type of help, you just WhatsApp me. And also we are taking online classes. If you are interested to learn this amazing art, please do WhatsApp. And we also sell Ari kit for a beginner purposes, and Ari coat, professional Ari coat also we are using, and tracing machine for making blouse designs paper, your own blouse designs paper, and double stand, multi stand 18 by 16. It's a very beautiful blouse design. And look at this, 2 persons work on this, and also this is a second day, not a 1 day. And every blouse design you can see under 10 minutes. This is not possible to complete in a 1 day. It's also taking 1.5 day, and sometimes it's completed 2 days with the three persons on in work on the one blouses. Okay, so now we are stitching on the top of the sleeves, and sticking some kundans and stitching all around the zardozi. And we are also filling this gap, middle side of gap, with the 3 number moti. First we are stitching center line moti, then we are stitching all around the center line. Look at this. Okay, this is a very beautiful blouse designs. I hope you like this. And if you want to order these blouse designs, we also sell saris. And if you want any type of help, and also or place your order same like these designs and any other type of designs. And if you want to customize your blouse designs, we also customize. And we always use quality material. You all also notice these are things. My all material is a very good quality, and also all original material. Okay, so now we are stitching sugar beads line top of the sleeves. First we are stitching under the load, sugar beets load, dull Zardozi. Zardozi, these are different Zardozi. One Zardozi who use for stitching all around the kundans. One Zardozi for using some loads, 4 loads. Okay, look at this. This Zardozi we are also stitching middle of downside of the load. So this is a thick Zardozi and also big. It's not the same as it is gold. It's some crystal look. Okay, so same as it is we are stitching the all border. Then we are start to stitching top of the sleeve some jerkin stand. Jerkin stand is a very important thing because if you are not using jerkins, so I think your blouse look not shiny and not some bright. Okay, so look at this. That type jerkin stand we are stitching same these sleeves, and also blouse was completed take maximum 1.5 hour, 1.5 hours more, and then blouse designs was completed. I'll show you very fast, don't worry about it. Okay, so look at this. One time you fill your all needles with 12 number jerkins, and jerkin stand and jerkin both size also come in the size like 14 number and 12 number. Two size are very popular in my boutique and also in my all designs. Okay, right now we are using 12 number jerkins. It's a very useful, and also it's make your blouse designs more shiny. Okay, same as it is we are stitching, and now we are show you the final blouse designs look. Look at this. This is a final blouse designs look, and it's looking very beautiful, very awesome. And look at this shine, and also look at my work quality. This is a very beautiful blouse design. When blouse design stitching was completed, so I think it's looking very great and very beautiful. Bridal blouse design. If you want to order this blouse design, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And you want any type of color, you want any type of size and customization, we are making and deliver it to you maximum 7 days, between 1 week. Okay, look at this peacock, and also look at this other one peacock, and also look at this downside of border, top of the border. All look very nice, and my work also very good, and also very good quality material. Okay, and if possible you send me your blouse piece. If not possible, you just tell me which color you want, I'll make and send it to you. And we are also making according to your choice and also your body measurement. Okay, so thank you so much for love and support, guys. This is too much hard work for making like that type of blouse design, so please do subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye guys, take care.